Nutrition. It will be essential to achieving your fitness goals. Are you a beginner? Are you stepping back into the gym for the first time in a long time? Well, in today's video, I am going to be going over 4 tips that will serve you well on your fitness path. Up first, and that is chew food slowly. So why not take a couple of seconds between bites to let the food digest, and in turn savouring the meal that bit better. Up next, and that is understand your macros. So let's first look at protein. Protein is made up of amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of muscle, which means all the hard work that you are putting in the gym will pay off through intaking protein. And at 4 grams, protein will ensure that hormone levels are regulated and that your immune system is also in good working order. Up next, and that is carbs. Complex carbs. This is your whole grains and your vegetables will provide a steady state of energy flow throughout the day. This means that your blood sugars will not crash. So try to limit your simple carb intake, your bread or your sugary snacks. Last but certainly not least, fats. At 9 calories, fats are the densest of the 3 macronutrients. The benefits of intaking fat in your diet: healthy fats will ensure good functioning heart health. They will also provide insulation. Your body will need the insulation throughout winter or the colder months. But overall, they will also keep you satiated when paired up with a protein source. Third on our list, and that is water. More often than not, food is seen as being top of the list when it comes to nutrition. Rightly so, but just as important, water plays such a key role. Now, whether you are a beginner or not, you should always look to intake water throughout your day. Fatigue will be reduced. You will notice a reduction in cramps, but it will also aid in reducing muscle soreness. Last on our list, and that is meal prep. Now, sometimes it can feel overwhelming when it comes to healthy eating. So much food, so little time. This is where meal prepping comes in handy. It is a great time saver as it can free up your schedule throughout the day. You know exactly, you prepared the meal, so you know what ingredients are in there, what additives are in there, and what macronutrients are in there to serve your body. So why not prep your meals the day before? This way they are good to go for the week ahead, ensuring that you won't be reaching for those sugary snacks, and instead you can focus on getting that meal in. So there you have it, everyone. A few tips that will serve you on your nutritional journey if you are a beginner.